I have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Zippo here. This is a Hooters. Looks like almost, I don't think it's brass. I think it's just brass coated Zippo. There's the bottom stamp, 2002, I believe it says, yeah. But engraved, pretty good shape. A little bit of wear at where these two top and bottom meet. And I'm gonna do something I don't do with a lot of my Zippos. I'm gonna make this a daily. So we're gonna take it completely apart. I'm gonna take out the fuse and make sure all that stuff is good. I bought this used on eBay. I think maybe 30 or something. Flank came out solid. Pop out the felt pad. Beautiful. I'm trying to get out all this padding. I had needle nose pliers in my kit. Okay. So there's everything that was inside the guts. I'll give it a new wick here. Not too shy. It's always hard to start these down the chimney and stuff. There we go. There we go. Pull this to a good height. I like to refluff the wadding a little bit and break it into smaller parts, especially whenever it's not zigzagged correctly. And just stuff it all down in there, make sure it's still at a good height. And then I go around. There we go. Kind of the spring flint column stuff. Some more wadding in there. Again, you just want to zigzag this wick back and forth, and that'll help with even saturation and all that good stuff. And then check. I like to really pack it in just because I know as soon as that fuel is going to saturate it, just gonna shrink everything down. There we go. Okay. Gotta take the old wick to the wick graveyard. Throw out the old flint. This is stuffing that came with it that I'm not gonna use, so I'm gonna put it in a extra wad bag. And then Zippo goes in the WD-40 Altoids. And I'm gonna give it a hit here and here. See, I'm not trying to clean, I'm just trying to make sure she runs just like a machine. See, that's a wheel with the cam sponge. Then I'll take an extra paper towel, get some of that grime off there, clean it just a teens. More just trying to get that extra WD-40 off than anything else. Oh yeah, that sounds good. I'll give a little bit in the hinge. A little hit in the insert too. I mean, just barely nothing. Just really caring about that hinge. Wiggle it around a little bit. I'm gonna put these. And we're gonna load in a brand new flint. There you right there. Okay. That should be good. And put that pad back down. And then we'll give it a once over with some Windex here to clean it off. Look at that baby. Ooh, she's a beauty. I can love her. I love her. Anyways, thanks for watching this beautiful Hooters Zippo. Get another lifetime owner.